Hello guys, good morning. Hope you are having an awesome day so far, or good evening. It depends on when you're watching this or where at in the world that you are. Hello. That's what I need to say. Hello. Today I'm going to vlog because everybody has said, are you going to vlog or are you just going to cook dinners? And I am going to continue to cook dinners, but I can also throw some vlogs in every once in a while too. So it is like 9:15 right now. I'm waiting for about another 15 minutes and then I'm going to leave and I'm going to meet my daughter at the DMV so that she can get her after 9 license today. So she's had her license for 6 months and now it's time to go and get her like regular, no restricted after 9 license, like she can drive anytime now. So we're gonna do that. She stayed at her friend's last night, so that's why she's just gonna meet me there. She has exams this week, which she's already done with. So she has no school today, no school tomorrow. So she's not missing any school for this. So it worked out perfectly on the timing. So far today, I have loaded my dishwasher and washed 2 loads of clothes, but I haven't folded them yet. And then my living room looks absolutely, like, my living room rarely ever looks this bad because I can't stand it. But I just went to bed last night because I was just tired. And I was just like, you know what? I'm just going to go to bed and I'll deal with it tomorrow. I'm going to flip the camera around and show you guys, like, what this mess looks like. Because when I get back home from doing that and doing all the things, I have got to clean up this house. So we have a ho sign here in the corner, which used to say home, but it is falling apart. That was like a DIY done 2 years ago. And so the glue just came off and I have it propped up right there so that I can remind myself to take it when I go over to the trash dump. But my winter trees are falling over. There are socks, shoes. There are always dog toys. You know, just gym bags and all of the things that just look like a mess in here. So I have got to do something about this when I get back. Hey puppies. Oh, they both looked. My sweet babies. But if you don't follow me on Instagram or you're new here and you just don't keep up, I am doing some home, let's just say like facelifts, okay? Because it's minor little things on a budget, but it's making my whole house look completely different. So I have painted my kitchen, hallway, and dining room. So that made a world of difference because the color I used to have was brown and it was matte. And so anytime something touched the wall, like one of our bar stools would bump the wall or a table, it would make a black mark. And you can't touch it up and you can't like wipe it off because it's matte. So I went with the semi-gloss this time, semi-gloss, whatever you want to call it, because that's what I have in the living room now and you can just wipe it down. It's perfect. So I have all of that going on and I'm waiting for my backsplashes to come tomorrow. So currently in the kitchen, let me show you, like it's painted, but it's not painted all the way down. Let me flip you around. Okay, so you see all of this, and clearly I need to clean my kitchen too. At least I got my dishes done though, right? All of this underneath is not painted, but you can see where that ugly brown was, and look at the spots, like where I would cook or wash dishes and water would splash up. It just won't come off. So we're with the gray now. So I'm waiting for my back splashes to get here tomorrow. I cannot wait to show you guys what they look like once they're up on the wall. Like I hope they look good. They should. I don't know why they wouldn't. Look at that. I need help. All right, anyways, I've rambled on long enough, so it's probably time for me to go and get ready. So I'm going to take you guys with me throughout the day. La, 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 la. If you want to keep up with my... let me show you the hall because we done new floors in there too. So the lighting in my hall is absolute crap right now. I need to get some extra lighting, but I painted the hall gray and I painted all the trim white because it was all dinged up and just the trim gets, but we still have to get the little piece that goes from here across. There's another molding. You see how, like, if the refrigerator bumps it or anything, everything was matte and it showed everything. So anyways, that's the new flooring. We have to get the little piece that goes across right here, and then it does match the living room, and eventually we're going to do the kitchen as well. But we're doing the kitchen last because these other 2 areas were carpeted and I wanted that carpet gone. That carpet was so nasty. because we live where the red mud is at, and I cannot get the stains out. And also, like, carpet holds smells. We have pets. People, like, the thought of other people's feet being on the carpet, it disgusts me. I don't know why. I know that's nasty, like, germaphobe weirdness, but I just threw my mirror in here and some little, like, stick. These are called bones, so that's what's in here for now. I do plan to get a bench and put some pillows and hang like either a long picture or maybe like just a like medium-sized mirror there in the middle. But I think it's going to be super cute once we get it all done. These are my kids' rooms back here, and then the guest bathroom is there. But that is the floor, and I absolutely love it. I got it from Home Depot. So to do the hall and the living room together, I think we paid just a little over $1,000, so it wasn't much at all. And to paint both of these rooms, I think probably cost me about $200. So I mean, super affordable upgrades. We are eventually planning to do something with the countertops as well, and I'm thinking of like building some things in the kitchen for like a new table and all of that kind of stuff. So yeah, I gotta go. You guys, okay, we're out of the DMV after forever. It's 11:20. We got there before 10. Yes, love waiting at the DMV. Love that, love that, love that for us. I went to McDonald's and got me a sausage biscuit. I mean, no, I didn't. What's it called? Gravy biscuit. Yeah. So I'm gonna go home now and eat that. I'm not gonna eat it in the car because, you know, gravy biscuit. Hey fam, I'm back. It is 4:30 in the afternoon now, and I have Leah and Molly with me. Summer came home for a little while, not very long. She went to her Free Carmen's again, and then she left early and went to eat like lunch/dinner with her boyfriend before she had to go into work at 5 o'clock. So me and Molly and Leah are headed to Hobby Lobby, TJ Maxx, something like that, because now I've measured and we want to look and see what we can find. And my friend Kelly sent me some pictures. She was at Hobby Lobby earlier today and found a couple of benches and tables that she thought would fit in that space. So thank you, Kelly. She is the real MVP. So sweet. She did not have to stop and do that, and she did it. That's a homie right there. We're doing that, and we're going to take you along and see what we can find and see how the heck, if we do find something, how we're going to carry it and pick it up and do all that stuff. I got some new pillow. My lips are really pink. Hopefully this will wear off a little bit. I got some new pillow covers, which my friend Brittany and Stephanie, we're going to do an Amazon collab over on IGTV, which is Instagram if you're unfamiliar. So if you're not following me on Instagram, do that. I'll pop the name up on the screen. It's always linked down below. Yeah, and also if you want to see when I put the new countertops in, not the countertops, well that too, but if you want to see when I put the backsplash in, which should be tomorrow evening, then come over there, because that's where I do all of my, like, you'll see it first there, my upgrades to the kitchen, the hall, the house, anything we do, always on Instagram. So that's where we're headed now, and then we'll check back and let you guys know what we're finding. Hello everyone. I look different and I'm in different clothes because it's the next day, okay? I did not finish vlogging yesterday because I just didn't finish it. So I got my backsplash in that I told you I was waiting for. So we're fixing to open this and see what this looks like, and I really hope everything's in here because I'm going to die if it's not, okay? So I'm going to open this, show you what it looks like, and then either tonight or tomorrow we're going to get it put up. So I'm probably just going to roll the vlog over to tonight or either tomorrow so I can show you guys what it looks like once it's up. But right now, let's open it and see what it actually looks like. So here is what the pattern looks like. I got a matte white. So it's just sheets like this. And then we're just going to put these sheets up. You can already see there's like cardboard pieces. The noise is Kova playing with this long thing that came out of this box. Are you having fun? What is that? What is it? What is that? Anyways, here is a little sample sheet of it, but there's the pattern. I thought it looked really pretty, so I'm going to cover all this back up, and then I'll show you either tonight or tomorrow. Y'all, my hair will not do anything lately. I think I'm going to have to go shave the shit because it literally just... don't tear that up. Look at that. Oh, I got to go get it or she's going to eat it. Anyways, I'm going to check back in tonight or either tomorrow to show you what this looks like. I'm going to go cook some spaghetti because it's going to be dinner time before long, and kill this dog because she won't stop tearing everything up. Okay, bye. Good morning, y'all. It is the next day. So today is Saturday for us. I'm sitting here making a fried egg for my daughter, and I'm making hamburger meat, seasoning that up real good. I'm gonna have spaghetti this afternoon, but I'm gonna be really busy doing the backsplashes and stuff, so I'm gonna go ahead and cook my meat now, and that way I'll just have it in the fridge already pre-made. I can just throw everything in the pan with the seasoning and the sauce, and then just boil my noodles, and spaghetti dinner will be done super fast. So I was going to cook this last night and I didn't, so I'm doing it tonight. Right now I'm frying an egg. My daughter wants an egg, and then my other daughter likes scrambled eggs, so I'm going to scramble me and her an egg, put some grits and some stuff, make breakfast. Okay, so that's what we're doing now. My husband doesn't get home. He works on Saturday, so he won't get home for a while. Then he'll probably come home and take a nap before he starts another project, but we're going to get to it. I'm going to share the process a little bit with you guys, and then what it looks like afterwards. So let me give you a little view right here of what it is now. So right now, this is what it looks like. You can see where it was brown, now it's gray. I just painted it more inward. That way, when it's covered, everything's covered. So it's going to be all the way under these cabinets back here, all the way around the sink, and under that cabinet. So that's where all the backsplash is going to go. I'm leaving the tile for now because that's like real porcelain tile. I'm going to leave the tile right here for now too, behind the stove. So we'll see how it looks. I'll be back to update. Okay, friends, I've done it again. It is the next day. So I keep rolling this vlog over to every day, but last night Wesley got everything put up where it needs to go, but not glued down, so it wasn't finished, but now it's finished. As you can see in the background, this is our new backsplash that's under our cabinets. So it looks like this. I'm gonna flip you around and show you everything. And then, yeah, tonight we are going bowling. Well, not tonight, like this afternoon. I have a roast in the crock pot right now, so hopefully that'll be done before we have to leave, and that way we can eat dinner before we go, and then they can just get snacks there. But let me flip you around and show you the kitchen really quick. All right, so here it is. Here it is. It looks like this. It's gonna be bright because my window's open, but so much better. Yay! And the whole reason, like, that I thought to do this is because every time we wash our hands, this was just sheetrock, and it would get wet and it would peel the paint off no matter what I did, how many times I sanded it and painted it. So I wanted to backsplash back here, and then I was like, well, we might as well just go around to all of the underneath of the cabinets, because how cute is that? We still have our tile right there, but then all of this. So yay, very excited. Brightens up the kitchen a whole lot. Now the only thing we have to do is get our new sink at some point, because this is like a deep farmhouse sink. You see this is super clean. I've bleached it. It's like all cleaned out, but it has these little cracks and spores and stuff in it, and they will not come clean. You see, like, they just will not come clean no matter what I do to it. So at some point I'm gonna have to get a new sink also. And Wesley's talking about doing something to the countertops at some point. So then it'll be up. I need to grout it again. You see how this is breaking up? So I'm gonna redo that also. But nice, here's my roast. And don't mind the mess because everything's still everywhere from where we just got done. But there's my roast. Cooking up. So I guess I will be checking back in with you guys later once we leave the house, and just kind of take you along bowling just a little bit, and then I'll end the vlog there. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. We're on the way home. We went bowling. Obviously, you saw that. They're tickled back there about something. We're getting gas because I was like about to be on E. But I'm going to end this vlog because it is I think it's been 4 days of vlogging, 3 or 4. So thank you for spending all the days with me. As we continue to do more upgrades to the house, I will show them, share them. Like I said, I always share everything on Instagram. So follow me over there. Like, you can see everything in real time and all of that kind of stuff. I'll link it down below. per the usual. And any other videos you guys want to see, just let me know. Leave a comment. Thank y'all. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.